Alrighty, Terry, here's your 408 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. Got a set of our ass gas stands, the Edelbrock manifold, got the Edelbrock carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the rear sump oil pan on it. When her make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3600, 476 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 494, peaks horsepower 465, rated at 450, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine numbers from other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code here. Take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.